Hey YouTube, this is just a quick unboxing on the DJI Mavic Air Fly More combo. I picked this up today at Micro Center. Was kind of shocked they had them in stock, but anyway, nice small package. Basically, here's the drone. This is all replacing this. Kind of crazy. So that's the case that was for my Up Air 1. And yeah, I mean, this is what the drone comes in. So this can be carried and you can fly it with your phone if you wanted to, or with just hand gestures. I mean, in my opinion, this is just incredible. It has 8 GB of internal memory. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So you get the drone, this nice little carrying case. I'm not going to go into any in-depth information about it right now. You also get another nice little bag here, which you can carry everything in. Now this is the Fly More combo, so this has 2 extra batteries. So there's one. There's another one. This is for charging up to 4 batteries. It does not charge them all at the same time, but it will charge them one at a time. You don't have to keep unplugging and plugging back in. The controller, which has a little spot here to store the sticks. It also comes with an extra set. Makes it nice and easy for sliding this into your pocket. I'm not great at unboxing videos. This is the only one I've ever done. Also comes with 2 extra sets of spare props. These are the cables for connecting your phone. So these are for the Android USB-C and regular USB. And it comes with the iPhone lightning cable already installed. Also comes with the 2 extra joysticks I was talking about. And this is kind of cool. So you can actually plug this onto one of your drone batteries and charge your phone or whatever else off of the drone battery if need be. Also comes with the charger, of course, for charging the batteries. It's also got 2 USB ports here. Comes with a charging cable. And then an adapter for charging the remote. Prop guards. And the instruction manuals. So, I mean, the thing that sold me on this is the fact of how portable this is. Besides the fact that it shoots 4K at 30 frames a second, at 100 megabits, does 1080p at 120 frames per second. So yeah, give you an idea how small this is. This is the case for my GoPro, which basically the GoPro fits here, and you got a couple spots for extra batteries. I mean, look at that. That's just crazy. Just crazy. You know, just unbelievable. So basically you flip out the back two, then the front, and I mean that's the whole drone. So I'm going to end the video here. If you want more in-depth information on it, there's a ton of videos out there. So once the weather gets decent, we are expecting snow tonight. I'm hoping it stops tomorrow early enough, and I'm going to get this charged up, get the firmware updated, and hopefully get it up in the air. And I'll have another video for you soon. Have a good one.